Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you a gluten-free vegan cheese and onion pie. It's simple to make, it's delicious, it's oil-free, and it's something that you can make over the holidays. I know that the holidays is like literally around the corner and Thanksgiving is it's like this week. So maybe this is something you can make to share with your family over the holidays, or maybe you're watching this video at a later point and you just want some cheese and onion pie. So either way, I hope you enjoy this recipe. I'm starting off by sauteing some onion, celery and a little bit of thyme in some veggie stock. To make the cheese sauce, I'm starting off with some cooked diced potatoes, garlic powder, sea salt, whole grain mustard, nutritional yeast and coconut milk. A full list of the ingredients and measurements will be available on my website, so check the description box for that. And then I blended that all together until it formed a smooth paste, and I forgot to add the bell peppers, so that's what I'm adding here, and a little bit of water because I thought that the mixture was too thick. Here I have a pie crust. If you'd like the recipe for this pie crust, I'm going to link it here as well as in the description box. And now I am adding the cheese sauce. To give the top of the pie a bit more color, I added a pinch of turmeric so you will have this nice golden color. And I also used more flaxseed when I was making the crust for the top, so that it will have a different, a lighter texture in comparison to the base of the pie crust. All I'm doing here is cutting off the excess of the pastry, and I'm going to save these little pieces that I'm cutting off because I'm going to use them to make little leaves to decorate the top of the pie. So here's a completed pie, and if you grab hold of your excess pieces, and I'm just going to roll this back out and then form a few leaves to go on top of the pastry. And if you're going to use this recipe for like a fancy occasion, maybe you can make a few more leaves to decorate your table. Yes, because that's what I did. I've got the leaves that I've got on top of the pie, but I also have some additional leaves that I made off camera and used it to decorate my table. These are the 3 leaves that I'm going to add to the top of the pie, but before doing that, I made some slits in the pie to allow steam to escape as the pie baked in the oven. And then I popped it into a preheated oven to cook until it was nice and golden. I allowed the pie to cool down before serving it, and I was so careful when I was cutting this because I didn't want it to fall apart, but naturally it won't fall apart. If the mixture is really hot, then it might be a little bit more runny, but if you allow it to cool down, you should be able to slice your pie and serve it like so. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and I hope you will try it. Do remember to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and share this video with someone else. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.